From our humble beginnings as a small Canadian distributor of solar energy products over a quarter century ago, GoPower has grown to become North America's leading supplier of mobile solar solutions. We're proud to offer a full range of high-quality, dependable, and cost-effective mobile power solutions when grid power is unavailable or unsustainable. Our products are easy to install and built to withstand some pretty tough conditions off the grid. Whether you're an RV owner enjoying the perfect remote campsite or a boater on an extended cruise, we'll help keep your lights, refrigerator, and electronics running for extended periods, wherever your adventure takes you. That's why manufacturers like Jayco, Forest River, and Thor pre-install GoPower on their RVs. So why choose GoPower? Here are 5 great reasons. You'll save money on fuel for generators, plug-in charges at campgrounds, and expensive battery replacements. You'll help save the environment by eliminating the noise and air pollution associated with running generators. You'll gain the confidence to break away from campsites and go off the grid. You'll minimize maintenance time, since solar panels have no moving parts to wear out. And you'll have the unparalleled freedom to explore wherever your adventure leads you. At GoPower, we're also dedicated to great customer service. Our rigid solar panels are all backed by an industry-leading 25-year power output warranty. Our support team, as well as an extensive network of highly trained dealers and installers, are available to get you the help you need. To learn how GoPower mobile solar solutions could be right for you, check out our website.